Hi, I'm Sherwin. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I hope this isn't your first time, but you're coming back. This is for a dance called Hoedown. It's an absolute beginner dance. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is 4 walls, and there are no tags. Ooh, Scully, what's happening? You must be very excited about this. That's Scully. Anyway, I'm going to turn around and we're going to start this. You all right, buddy? Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. We're going to step. Step and touch, step and kick. Back, together, forward, hold. Now that is the same steps as a coaster, but the only difference is that a true coaster is syncopated. It would be counted as 5 and 6. And we're doing 5, 6, 7. So you get a full count for each step. So we'll take that again. We step diagonal, touch, back, and kick, back, together, forward, hold. Same exact thing with the left. Diagonal left, tap right, and kick, back, together, forward, hold. Second part, you're going to do a grapevine, but we're going to change our wall. So as I take my right foot to start it, I'm going to turn a quarter and step out to my right. So I'm facing 9 o'clock, finish my vine, behind, side, together, and then we're going to do some heel swivels. Both heels left, toes, heels, toes. That's your next count of 8, so let's go over that. Stepping out on 1 behind, 2, side, 3, together, 4, heel, toe, heels, and toes. Back to center. Let's do it from the top. 6, 7, go. Diagonal tap. Back and kick, back, together, forward, hold. Diagonal tap, back and kick, back, together, grapevine, turn it, side and back and side. We swivel, heels and toes and heels and toes. Last count of 8, staying right here. Step the right heel and back, left heel and back, stomp right, stomp left, heel, hook. Counts as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot is free to start the dance again. Boom. Okay, let's do it from the top. I'm going to put that on. And what we're going to do is I'm going to do it twice. I'll do it at this wall and I'll do it at this wall. Okay? All right, get ready. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, kick it out. 4, 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it right. Right and left and right we go. Left and right. Here's your heel. Go heel and step. 2 stomps. 5, 6. Heel. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Kick. Back together. Forward. Hold. Step. 2. Step. Kick. Back together. Forward. Hold. Grapevine with a little turn. 6, 7, 8. You right. You left. A right and left and heel and hook and start again. And that's how you do Hoedown. So, I think the only thing that's left to do right now is to go ahead and turn it around. Remember, I will put the step sheet in the description, and if you feel like you need to slow it down, go to that little wheel on YouTube, hit it, and there'll be a playback speed, so if you want to practice it more slowly, you can do that. Okay? All right? Let's do it.
Step
cute beginner dance, but it's cute, it's a fun song, it moves kind of quickly, gives you a little bit of cardio. Thank you guys for coming out to join. Once again, please remember to subscribe, share the video, like the video. If you have any questions about it, leave them in there in the comments. And if you're in Los Angeles, make sure you look me up. That's where I teach at different venues, at Borderline, Cowboy Palace, and many others. So I'd love to meet you in person. So on behalf of my adorable, very active dog, thank you so much for coming here, and I will see you on the dance floor.